China has unveiled a groundbreaking mosquito-sized spy drone that could change the future of surveillance technology. Developed by the National University of Defense Technology, this tiny device weighs less than a grain of rice and measures only a few millimeters in size. It's designed to mimic the appearance and flight of a real mosquito, making it almost invisible to the human eye. The micro-drone is equipped with miniature cameras, microphones, and sensors, allowing it to discreetly collect audio and video data in sensitive areas. Its wings flap approximately 500 times per second, enabling stable flight and hovering capabilities. The drone can also cling to walls or ceilings for extended surveillance. However, experts point out that the drone faces limitations. Its extremely small size results in a short battery life and makes it vulnerable to air currents. These challenges mean the technology may currently be more effective indoors rather than in outdoor environments. While still in the prototype stage, this development marks a significant step in micro-drone innovation. It also raises important questions about privacy, security, and the potential uses of such technology in the years ahead.